up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my April Ipsy Glam Bag. Everybody pretty much knows what Ipsy is all about, but for those of you who don't, I will have a link to the website in my description box below. Without further ado, let's see what I got in April's Glam Bag. Okay, guys, so, here's my bag. Let's see what we got inside. Ooh, there's something outside the bag. I don't know why they do that, because this right here is small enough to fit in this bag. I'm just saying. So let's start with the bag. I love the bag this month, guys. Look at it. Oh my gosh, that is so cute with the daisies all over it. And then it has a daisy zipper pull. Let me try to get it so you guys can see it. It has a daisy zipper pull. How cute is this bag? This is perfect for spring and summer. I love it. It is so adorable. Okay, so, well, I guess we'll start with the thing that was outside the packaging. Maybe they forgot to put it in. That's entirely possible. So this looks to be a blush. The Cosmetic. I think that's what that says. So here it is. I love the color. I'll definitely use it. I have a ton of blushes, but you know, I guess I can use more. This is called Magnolia Blusher. Okay. Oh, look at this. There's a card. Let's see if the card has any information. Sometimes it doesn't, so let's just have it. Oh, it does. Okay, so this says, keep growing seems to be the theme. April's Glam Bag is made with recycled fabric. I love it. That makes this 1,000 times better. Oh my gosh, I love it, you guys. So here's the card. That is so awesome. That honestly just made my day. I already loved the bag, but now I love it that much more. Okay, so the first thing that I grabbed was that blusher. So that is a deluxe sample, and the full size version of that product is $24. Okay, so we'll set that aside. That's gonna last me for a long time anyway, so I'm fine with that size. I probably won't buy it again at 24 bucks. Okay. Obsidian waterproof liquid eyeliner. What's the color? Oh, I don't see a color, guys. Okay, let me show you this right here first, and then I will pop it open and we will see what the color is. Oh, okay. Let's see. What is the color? It doesn't say. Oh, I don't want to bore you guys. And I'm sure everybody's like already fast forwarding. Like, okay, she is taking way too long. As a matter of fact, I'm going to stop the video myself because I got to see what color this is. And it's going to take me forever to open it. So just hold on 1 second and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so that was a workout. I'm just saying. But it is indeed black. So here's what it looks like outside of the little packaging. And it is one of those felt tip eyeliners in the color of black. I already did a little swatcheroo because I was curious. So there it is right there. It goes on pretty good. We'll see how this goes. All right. So the value for that is, well, that is a full-size product. No surprise there. And the value is $8. Okay. That's not bad, right? All right. What's next in here? Ooh, some fuzzy stuff just popped out of there. What is this? Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Wonder Beauty. Okay, so I have a Wonder Beauty mascara. As you guys know, I am already working through many mascaras at this point in time, and Ico is indeed my favorite brand. I have not found another brand that beats them yet, so we'll see. I'll try that one. That is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of that product is $26, pretty much in line with what all the mascaras cost. Okay, so the next thing is, ooh, itty bitty. Wow. This is a Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Quite sure I said that wrong, but who cares? All right, you guys know what I'm talking about. So here it is. Yeah, that's really super small, you guys. This is a deluxe sample at 5 milliliters or 0.16 fluid ounces. And the full-size version of this product is $34. So it's a face serum. It's part highlighter, part face serum, and it's a lightweight gel. Okay. Well, I might try it. I might stick it in a giveaway. I don't know yet. Okay, so the final thing in this month's bag is called Hey Honey. Walk the Walk. What is this? Propolis Foot and Heel Repair Cream. totally down for the foot repair cream. I'm loving it, guys. Okay, that I am super stoked about, actually, because I'm doing all these shoe videos where I'm sharing my shoe collection, and honestly, guys, I'm trying to like take super good care of my feet, like more than I normally do. I already try to, believe me, but you know, more so than normal with zooming in on my feet and stuff, you know. I don't know. Okay, so that is a deluxe sample at 25 milliliters, and the full size version is 60 milliliters for $30. So I mean, if that works really good, then I'll definitely keep it. All right, guys, so that wraps up my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of April. And again, guys, for those of you who are interested in Ipsy and are not sure what it's all about, I will have a link to the website in my description box below. That's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Zia. Is there something in my hair or something on my forehead or something? I don't know, it looks weird, doesn't it? All right, try it again. My name is Meeks, and in today's video, I have my April Ipsy Glam Bag. Everybody pretty knows what Ipsy is all about. Try it again. My name is Meeks, and in today's video, I have my April Ipsy Glam Bag. Everybody pretty knows what's... What? Pretty nose? What? Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so... Whoa, that didn't work like at all. It's like lightweight this time. Is it throwable? It's throwable. Let's try it again. Okay, guys, so woo! Did that work? Yeah, I think so. I'm doing a slow motion. Try it one more time. Hopefully one more time. Okay, guys, so whoa, that didn't work. Darn it.